Jamaica's banana industry remains on high alert following the emergence of the tropical race 4 disease in Colombia. Also known as Panama disease, it's the most destructive disease to affect bananas and plantains. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw told Parliament that the government is taking several steps to ensure the disease does not enter the country. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
This is what happens when a banana plant is affected by the tropical race 4 disease, also called the Panama disease. Yellowing of the leaf margins. The yellowing then continues further into the leaf. The leaf also begins to wilt. The stem of an infected plant may also split. That's exactly what's been happening in Colombia since August 8 this year. Though the deadly disease is not present in Jamaica, the country is on alert.
Not a new disease, but what has heightened our response is the fact that this disease has now been reported in the Western Hemisphere for the first time.
The tropical race 4 disease was first identified in Asia in 1964. It spread to the African continent and to the Middle East in 2013.
The fungus spreads through infected plant materials and infested soil particles attached to any such as farm tools, shoes, clothes, animals, and vehicles.
As a result, visitors to the island can bring the fungus to Jamaica. Mr. Shaw says that is why the government has introduced disinfectant mats at international airports and cruise ship piers for travelers to disinfect their shoes before entering Jamaica.
That is why we have prohibited the importation of banana, plantains, and any relatives of this family fresh into Jamaica.
Mr. Shaw says the disease is a serious threat to the production of the crop, with repercussions on livelihoods, since people also depend on it as an important staple food and as a source of income. The opposition spokesman on agriculture, Victor Wright, had a concern.
Having known that this threat is currently in existence, there has been not an increase but a reduction in the allocation to the plant quarantine department to really take on surveillance activities and other activities which are important at our points of entry to control this disease and ensure that it doesn't get here.
We are making the necessary reallocations within the ministry budget to ensure that whatever resources the quarantine division requires, it will get it.
The banana industry is an important contributor to the country's national and rural development. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.